Oh, and I was doing a little tuning last night. I turned the bike on and I noticed brake lights on all the time. No matter what I squeeze, it's still on. So, did a little diagnosis on it. So these brake light switches make a connection when you pull the lever, press on the pedal. Here is the rear switch. 2 wires going to it. I'm going to pull one off. And look at that. Went back to just tail light. Now, pull on the handlebar. And we have normal brake lights. So, it's the rear switch underneath that's bad. And when I looked this up on one of the Harley websites, that switch it comes with the hose. And I've already changed the hose to the golfer hose. You know, I don't really want to pay $70, $80 for that. A new factory hose, just pull the switch out of it. So I went to looking and found a switch I think will work from a local auto parts store. As you can see, they are not 100% identical. The Harley one is quite a bit smaller diameter. And when you check it, it is shorter to cross. It should not be making contact just sitting there. And this one does not. So, threads are the same, 1/8 inch pipe. I have plenty of room under there. Pretty sure you did with the stock one too, but I know I have plenty of room with the golfer hose on there. So it's going in there. We'll see if it functions right. These are, like I said, these are pipe threads, so it's a good idea to put some sealant of some kind. I've used Permatex number 2. I'm going to use some 545 Loctite this time and seal those up. Because unless they're super tight, which it needs to be super tight anyway, but pipe threads tend to seep easier than the double inverted flares and the banjos and everything that you use normally on brake systems. So, a little bit of brake bleeding later. We got a good brake light. Front still works. Back still works. So, that's a good switch. If you need a replacement, don't want to wait on Harley or can't buy it separate from the hose. Thanks for watching.